Here's the vehicle we're taking to the Outback. We're loading up. We're heading to a night of camping and then 2 nights in Uluru. There's our fearless driver, Jordan.
We're riding in our little minivan in the Outback towards our camping area for tonight in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of Australia. The main things we're seeing are termite mounds and red dirt and scrubby brush.
Here's a boomerang that didn't return. Welcome to the Northern Territory, Outback, Australia, or Outhouse, Australia.
Off the pit. You know, if you go straight, you don't see the pit.
We're going to start cooking some dinner while Pat shows you around a little bit. We'll get that sorted out for you now. Sound good?
This is where we're staying tonight. We're in tent cabin number 11. Come and see. And we have a double bed on a wooden thing and a single above us, which nobody will be using.
Similar to a cowboy's bedroll. So if you remember the old country and western movies where the cowboy has his bedroll rolled up and it's on the back of his horse.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what these things do. So they would just roll up and you put it in the back of your ute, hook it up, and that's your bed. You can sleep anywhere in Australia. If the rain comes, it's great because all you're going to do is put that over the top of your head and you're sleeping in a tent.
Camel over there on the bigger pieces, and kangaroo on the smaller.
Here's where we plan to sleep out tonight on these platforms with, what are these sacks called?
Baby sacks. Oh, swag. Swags. Yeah.
Swags. They can be rolled up and put on the back of our horse, if we had a horse. Or camel. Yes, camel.
I told you Vicky would win.
Your official gold kangaroo, well done.
All right.
Yay.
And Lexi gets another one. 2 gold kangaroos. How about that?
Double golden.
And there's one more kangaroo to go. Now this kangaroo, I've never seen anyone so intent in 51 years of doing this activity. I've never seen anyone so enthusiastic about collecting firewood on the side of the highway as this one person who's about to receive their golden kangaroo. I was out there back, and she wasn't giving up. She's like, Pat, let's go further. We've got to get more. So I've never seen anything like it.
Let's see it, Derry.
All right.
Oh no!
It hopped away.
That's because I'm a pyromaniac.
It's got a really sort of happy energy about it, you know. It's a nice place. Yeah, it's not privy to just one specific location.
The beautiful canyons here.
And see the flat rocks. See how it's really
Kings Canyon, Wataruka.
You should all do it. I'll do it one more time if everyone else does it.
All right.
Wait, first you, then we'll
All right, okay. 1, 2, 3. They're over it. There we go.
No one responded.
All right. Right, so 1, 2, 3.
That was beautiful.
It's really good.
Good echoing, yeah.
There we go.
They figured they knew it was
Uh-oh. You're gonna have a lot of buddies. Look behind you. We had lunch here at Curtin Springs Cattle Station.
This is Uluru behind me, also known as Ayers Rock. Uluru was handed back to the indigenous tribe here some years ago, and it's sacred ground for their mob.
We're waiting for the sunrise to come so that we can then see it reflecting upon Ayers Rock or Uluru.
Katajuda. This is the Katajuda mountain.
Becky's wearing the head net because the flies are attacking at Katajuda.
Katajuda.
We're hiking through the canyon of Katajuda.
So Katajuda is Pitjantjatjara for heads many, and heads many is basically come about because in Pitjantjatjara you don't count past 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, many. So if you've got 4 kangaroos, you would say juta. If there's 40 kangaroos, like, juta! And that's how they would communicate. You do not want an Ananu doing your tax.
We're on a road circling Uluru. You can see it over there out of the side window.
Five, 6 years old, where they could sort of start making sense of the world. They would sort of come here, and this is where they would start learning how to hunt, right? It was also where they came to obviously paint on the walls, you know.
On the way to the most consistent water hole here at Uluru.
And then when they handed the national park back to the Ananu in 1985, they were like, yeah, we'll take the town, you know. So they've got schools in there, they've got doctors, nurses, everything.
A later line, they used to have a chain that people could climb up the top of Ayers Rock.
Yeah, so a lot of people died. Obviously when people die, they fall off, and then the Ananu have to cleanse the land of the spirit. They don't belong here. And then they would close the park down, and of course that doesn't work for anyone because no one's making money. You know, and it's just a big lot of trouble. It was the women's job primarily to gather seeds, different types of berries, make flatbreads, but they also had a responsibility to hunt snakes and goannas and stuff like that. You know, all the deadly stuff that can kill you. I think they got the short end of the stick. The oldest grindstone in the world, right here. So they would collect all those different seeds and grasses and whatnot, and they would put it here and they would grind it down into flatbread. So this here is like it's a teaching cave. So none of the artwork that you see is actually technically artwork. It's just a blackboard, and they use the ochre like chalk.
We're here at Uluru, Ayers Rock.
Oh yeah, they walk.
It's about to be sunset, and all these people have come and set up along the path to watch the colors of the blazing sun reflected off the rock.
There's some local Aboriginal art that these women have brought to sell here at Ayers Rock at sunset.